You're staring down a fresh electrical panel and there's a knockout that needs to come out. Only you don't want to damage the drywall trying to muscle it loose with whatever screwdriver's in your pocket. That's exactly the mess this kit is built to avoid. This is the WBK-100 electrical panel knockout kit from Jonard Tools. Number 1, the kit comes with 2 pieces, a panel buddy and a modified screwdriver. That's it. No bulky case, no extra parts you'll never use, just the 2 tools that get the job done. Number 2, that modified screwdriver has a bent shaft so you can actually maneuver it into position and reach the knockout at the right angle instead of fighting a straight shaft that won't line up. Number 3, the panel buddy is the real trick here. It fits securely on the edge of the panel and has a hole for the screwdriver to pass through. That gives you way more leverage when you're removing the knockout, and it keeps the screwdriver from tearing up the drywall surface. Number 4, this isn't just an electrical panel tool. It's built for security, alarm, and datacom panels too. So if you're running low voltage work alongside your electrical, this one kit covers it all. And Jonard backs it with a lifetime warranty, so once it's in your bag, it's there for good. One important note before you pick this up, this kit is not rated for use near live circuits and is intended for licensed professionals only. Treat it with the same respect you'd give any tool going into a panel. No more chewed up drywall, no more scratched panels, just a clean, controlled way to open a knockout and move on to the next task. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more Jonard Tools content, find the WBK-100 through your preferred distributor. Links below, we'll catch you in the next one.